Hey everybody, this is Dan from Mechanical Malarkey. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the wiper inserts on your car. I'm doing this on my Honda, but I know other brands are similar. Wiper inserts are just the rubber portion of the blade, not the outside. The benefit of doing just the rubber insert is that a set of inserts will cost less than $20, whereas even the cheapest wiper blades are between $10 and $20 each. Also, there's less waste because you're not replacing this entire structure. So first we'll remove the wiper blade. This style has a little flap right here. Pull that up and take the wiper blade off. First thing to take note of is that there are two different ends. This channel here, on this end, has the end blocked off. On other styles, there may be different notches or other shape to one of the ends. So now take the blade and find which end has the blocked off portion there. And this is the side you will pull out. So just grab it and pull. And fully remove it from the wiper frame. And then there are these two metal pieces in here, so just remove the rubber from between them. Now you'll see that these pieces have a notch near the end. These go in towards the rubber, not out. And if you look at the other end of them, only one of them has a notch. Always put the ends with both notches on the end that has the closed off part of the channel. So with this end, fit the metal pieces into the thinner slot. Then insert the non-closed off end into the blade and make sure it goes into the little tabs that hold it in place. Then when it's almost all the way in, give it a little push and it locks in place. Then just put it back on the car. The reason I'm replacing these inserts is because they're getting old and stiff and getting a little folded over to the side like that. They're not quite torn yet, but they're not cleaning as well as I would like them to, so I'm replacing them because they're pretty cheap. And I always begin inserting from the bottom side of the wiper blade because it hooks in this direction. I always put it on that side. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Follow me on social media on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. and read the blog at mechanicalmalarkey.com. Thanks for watching.